Hi there, you're watching These Healthy Bites where I show you my tried and perfected recipe, and in this episode I am making oven baked sea bass fillet. I'm using frozen fish and I would prefer frozen over fresh because as soon as the fish is harvested, it's frozen immediately. This helps it retain moisture and quality by avoiding the temperature loss between catch to plate in the supply chain. Further, it also helps me to store and use as and when required. These are premium quality sea bass fillets that have skin on, boneless, and are delivered by the foodlots online. To begin with, I've taken 50 grams of butter. You can use butter at room temperature, or if not, you can melt this. The butter is melted, and to this I am adding garlic pods. I've added 4 garlic pods, and to this a teaspoon pepper, half lemon, some lemon zest. This I'm adding a small bunch of coriander, fresh coriander. Now give this a mix everything together. Look at this, the marination looks fantastic and it smells so good. Now I am going to pour this over on my fillets. And spread it across evenly. Making sure they're coated well. I'm gonna take, and they're coated on the back side as well. Yeah. Leave these for 30 minutes and you're ready to pan fry them or oven bake them, however you want. I'm baking these at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. For exotic seafoods, meats and marinated food items, do check out Foodlot's online web store. You can find all the details in the description box down below. It's been 20 minutes and this is how my fillets look. They look perfectly baked and they're ready to plate. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.